Imagine this, you order a product online. Have you thought about what happens next? This is logistics in action, a fascinating and complex journey. Today, we'll break down the concept of logistics into three main parts: inbound, outbound, and reverse logistics. First, let's look at inbound logistics. This is the process of goods flowing from suppliers to and/or from your production units to warehouses. Goods arrive at the warehouse, waiting to be processed and stored efficiently. Next, we focus on outbound logistics. This process involves getting those goods to customers and/or to another warehouse locations. Once orders are packed and ready, they are shipped out quickly and efficiently. Now, we can't forget about reverse logistics. This concept manages returns from customers back to the warehouse. It's critical for handling undelivered, damaged, or unwanted items without hassle. Transportation is a core element of logistics. It helps optimize routes, manage carriers, and track shipments effectively. A well-planned transportation network can lead to faster deliveries, enhancing overall customer satisfaction. Let's dive into warehouse operations. This is where we manage inventory and various processes. Efficient operations include receiving goods, putting them away, picking, packing, and ultimately shipping products to customers. A well-organized warehouse makes all of this run like a well-oiled machine. In logistics, increased efficiency often originates from automation and process integration. These innovations can lead to faster cycle times, freeing up staff to focus on more important tasks. Reduced costs are another major advantage of mastering logistics. By optimizing inventory management and transportation planning, companies can save significant amounts of money. Efficient warehouse operations also play a crucial role in maximizing these savings. Above everything else, customer satisfaction is paramount. Accurate order fulfillment and timely deliveries significantly enhance the purchasing experience. Additionally, efficient returns management keeps customers happy even after they've made a purchase. Enhanced visibility in logistics cannot be overlooked. Real-time tracking of goods provides the insights needed for transparency throughout the supply chain. This visibility allows companies to respond quickly to any potential issues that arise. Better decision-making stems from access to accurate data. Analytics tools enable companies to identify trends, make informed choices, and proactively solve problems before they escalate. Let's also discuss customs clearance, an essential step for international shipments. This process requires precise documentation and strict compliance with regulations, such as tariff classifications and duty calculations. Documentation relates to handling essential papers like bills of lading and packing lists. These documents are crucial for customs and transport authorities to ensure everything is in order. Compliance is about ensuring all transactions meet trade laws and regulations. This is vital for achieving smooth operations across borders. Freight forwarding plays a key role in coordinating the journey of goods to their final destination. This process may utilize various transport modes: air, sea, or land. Logistics coordination encompasses the management of the entire movement of goods. This includes warehousing, handling, and getting products into the hands of customers. Route optimization is another critical factor. Selecting the best transportation routes minimizes costs and delivery times, directly impacting customer satisfaction. Clearing and forwarding agents act as valuable intermediaries. They connect importers with customs and transport providers. Their expertise in navigating customs procedures is invaluable in ensuring a smooth flow of goods. These agents play key roles in managing documentation, customs clearance, and freight arrangements. They ensure the movement of goods is streamlined and efficient. By leveraging Books365 logistics management, companies can transform their operations. You'll gain improved efficiency, cost savings, and ultimately, better customer satisfaction. If you're ready to elevate your logistics processes, contact us today at start@books365.in. Let's make your logistics management effortless.